This Samsung Smart Mini Split air conditioner is giving us an error. So let's power on the unit. We've powered on the air conditioner. The temperature on the display is set at 26 degrees, so I'll lower the temperature a bit. I've now set it to 16 degrees. After waiting for a while, the E470 error code is displayed. The unit has completely stopped, and the indoor blower motor has also stopped. This error code is related to the outdoor unit. So, let's take you to the outdoor unit. The outdoor unit is also present here. Let's show you how to identify that this E470 error is indeed the same error on the outdoor unit as shown on the indoor display. Here on the circuit board, there are a few LED lights. I'll zoom in on these LEDs. As you can see, there are 3 LED lights: green, yellow, and red. The green light is lit. Besides this, there's another LED light on the circuit board, and I'll show you that as well. Over here, we only have the green LED light. It's flashing continuously, but now the circuit board is indicating an error. How can we tell it's showing an error? This is the continuous working LED, which means that when it's on, the circuit board is in working condition. But the error you're seeing will be indicated through this LED light. The green LED is continuously on, which means there's an error present in the circuit board. So, now I've removed the circuit board from the air conditioner, and I'll explain what's going wrong here. On this circuit board, there is a microcontroller and an EEPROM. These two components share data with one another and communicate. The EEPROM is like a helper for the microcontroller, assisting it in performing its tasks. EEPROM stands for Electrically Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. When the EEPROM becomes faulty or gets short-circuited, or if it fails to share data with the microcontroller, then this E470 error will be displayed. If you change the EEPROM and try to install one with the same part number, there's a good chance that this error will be resolved. However, if the error doesn't get fixed, then there could be another issue, which I'll also explain to you. One possibility is that the microcontroller itself might be faulty, due to any reason it has got shorted. There are also capacitors placed around the microcontroller. If any of these capacitors get shorted, then the MCU, microcontroller, will not be able to communicate properly with the EEPROM. In this case, the E470 error could still appear on the unit's display. So it's necessary to check whether the issue is with the EEPROM itself or if the microcontroller is also faulty. The EEPROM operates on 5 volts. If the 5 volts aren't available here, it will cause a problem and the microcontroller won't be able to sense it at all. As a result, the microcontroller will display the E470 error. Or if there's an issue with the voltage supply, fix that. Once this is done, the error will be resolved. But if the microcontroller itself has short-circuited, then the chances of fixing this error and the circuit board are very low. Repairing it would be difficult because the microcontroller is programmed, and you can only fix it if you have the same type of microcontroller. Otherwise, you'll have to replace the entire circuit board with a new one to resolve the issue. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.